all the teachers and the non-teaching staff, as well as my juniors who are here. So first of all, starting my journey, I cleared my SSB in my third attempt. As Abhay shared, we both are friends. We were in the same class from class 9. We both decided to prepare for NDA together. We started our preparation in class 11 and we still are together. We got selected in the same course and we are going to join the academy together. Moreover, if I talk about the importance of school life in SSB as well as the whole life, as we can see that there are co-curricular activities, as well as there are teachers who help in the personality building, as well as the ethical building of a child. So that is much more important. As well as the education over here is top notch, you can get a lot of opportunities from here. As the speech as well as other assembly things that were delivered over here, provide you a great opportunity to develop. As well as the sports, I was in the basketball team of NCDAV in the 2023 batch. So sports also give you a very good opportunity. There are a lot of qualities like team spirit, development of leadership qualities which one can go through sports. You know Adhesh Singh, he was my junior, he was also the captain of the basketball team. He is also currently preparing for NDA. And my only advice to him was that to not give up basketball just for his studies. Because at the end, basketball would have helped him to get a leadership quality in building to go through the SSB. Moreover, if I talk about the people who want to join the National Defence Academy or the Defence Forces, you have to be carefree. Don't have to take tension. You don't have to be thinking a lot about what will happen. If me and Abhay would have thought what will be the result, what would have been the circumstances if we would not have been selected, I don't think we both would have been here. Moreover, I think that what you all should be is just have a positive attitude as well as be motivated enough in your life to come on this stage to speak as well as to be in my place. As I remember Lieutenant Anurag Bhaiya to be here and delivering the speech, and he was my inspiration to join the armed forces, and I wish that you all choose Abhay as well as me for your inspiration, and you can contact us at any point of life for any help. Thank you.
Wow, very good. He gave one more added, one word: ethical values, personality development. And he told that co-curricular activities, assemblies and all types of things, including the games. Games will give you the leadership quality. Games, football or volleyball or handball or basketball, that will give you the leadership quality. Now they have become the leaders in the Indian National Army. Now both are the officers. Both are the officers in the NDA. Now they have got the leadership quality from this school campus, and that you should follow. And one day you will also be honored from this platform. बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद बेटा. God bless you to both of you, and you have, आप लोगों ने इस विद्यालय का नाम को बहुत बहुत रोशन किया. हम आपके पेरेंट्स को भी धन्यवाद देंगे और उनको अभिवादन मैं करता हूं, नमन करता हूं कि आपको ऐसे विद्यालय में शिक्षा दिया और संस्कार दिया. God bless you and you achieve your height after year, get promotion, and we want to see in more higher rank, and we will feel proud जब अभय और आर्यन जब दोनों कोई और बड़े उच्च इसमें जाएंगे तो उस समय हम कहीं भी रहेंगे, चाहे बूढ़े हो जाए या कुछ भी हो जाए, सुनेंगे हमारा दिल बाग बाग हो जाएगा. बहुत बहुत गॉड ब्लेस यू टू बोथ ऑफ यू. ओवर टू पीटी सर.